Scott Disick has shared a sweet video of all three kids cracking up on his 39th birthday, and fans are all saying the same thing. Scott, 38, celebrated his birthday with his adorable children. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians Alan and his ex Kourtney Kardashian, 43, are the parents of Mason, 12, Penelope, 9, and Rain, 7. In the Instagram video, the reality star was toppled by his three roughhousing kids. Mason banged his hands on Scott's red cap before knocking it off his father's head. Rain jumped on the backs of his father and his older sister. After Mason jumped out of the white bed, Scott grabbed his other two kids as they continued laughing. Penelope appeared to be out of breath by the end of the hilarious video. Scott captioned the video, "Happy birthday to me. The biggest blessing of my life, I hear." Fans jumped to the comments section after they all noticed the children were much happier with their father than at their mother and stepfather's wedding. The comments. One fan said, "Aw, this content is better than the full wedding." Another fan did not say, "For real, better than the wedding." A third fan wrote, "We are happier with the dad." A fourth person stated, "The kids are really happy with Scott." A commentator chimed in, "This feels more real and more special." The wedding. Recently, Kourtney and Travis Barker, 46, tied for top in Portofino, Italy. The couple was surrounded by their family and friends as they said their I-vows. The Kardashians star picked out a short lace Dolce & Gabbana dress with a cathedral veil. The nuptials were held at the seaside compound of Domenico Dolce and Stefano Gabbana. They rented out an entire castle called Castello Brown in Portofino for the reception. Kourtney became the stepmother to Travis' teenage kids, Alabama, 16, and Landon, 18. Rain's tears. Unfortunately, Rain was spotted crying before the ceremony took place. Kardashian fans shared on Reddit the image of Rain crying his heart out and mentioned how the little one's tears happen to be all of us. A fan related, Rain is, "I don't want to work tomorrow." Travis is, "Get right up and go to work." Reunited. After the wedding, Scott reunited with his three children after having spent several days apart. The E-star posted a cute photo of Rain tucked up and asleep in bed. He wrote, "I got my baby." The Flip It Like Disick star shared a selfie with Mason and Penelope. He smiled with them and added, "Got my crew with me." Scott also cozied up with his daughter and mentioned, "My little girl is getting so big. I can't take it."